Hi, I'm Cristina Headley from Equip for Equality. This video provides a brief overview of the Medicaid rules in Illinois concerning paying for nursing homes. The information applies to people with disabilities, including older Americans with physical, cognitive, sensory, or mental impairments. Medicaid will pay for nursing home care for individuals needing a nursing home level of care if their income and assets are below the state's requirements. The rules for how much income and assets you are allowed to keep as a community spouse vary widely from state to state, so it is important to understand the rules for your state. For instance, in Illinois, when you are going into a nursing home and you do not expect to return to your home, your spouse may keep your home, your car, and your household furnishings. The state will determine the value of your other property, such as bank accounts or certificates of deposit. You may transfer this other property to your spouse or someone else for the sole benefit of your spouse. Depending on how much property your spouse already has, not counting things like the house and the car, you may give your spouse property valued up to $109,000 for 2014. The amount may increase each year. Your caseworker will tell you the actual amount you may give your spouse. Your spouse may also be eligible to get some of your income if you are in the nursing home in order to remain in the community. In order to apply for this type of Medicaid, there are very strict income and asset rules. The rules can also vary depending on whether or not you have a spouse who will remain living in the community. There are also rules against giving away your assets in order to make you or your spouse eligible for Medicaid to pay for the nursing home. The state will look back at all of your income and assets for the 5 years preceding your application for Medicaid to determine eligibility. To find out more, talk to a SHIP counselor or an attorney if you anticipate that you or your spouse may need to apply for Medicaid to pay for a nursing home. For general information from the state about nursing homes and Medicaid, please visit the Illinois Department of Healthcare and Family Services website and click on the link for information on medical programs. If you are in a hospital, the social service department at the hospital can arrange for a screening. If you are 60 years or older and you own your own home, call the Illinois Department of Aging at 1-800-252-8966. In addition, you can also contact Equip for Equality at equipforequality.org.